In this lecture, we are going to talk about emotional intelligence from an introductory standpoint. This lecture is going to be built upon an overview system to understand emotional intelligence better. Now, the first aspect of emotional intelligence is that it can help you recognize, of course, your emotions, reactions, and feelings, and mostly your behavior. Usually, feelings would develop into emotions, and emotions would develop into reactions and behaviors. So once you understand your feelings through the emotional intelligence system, you'll be able to understand where your emotions are actually coming from. And once you understand those emotions, you'll be able to understand why you are reacting in a certain way and why you are behaving in a certain way. Some of the main aspects of emotional intelligence are self-management, for you to be able to manage yourself, whether it's your behavior, feelings, emotions, and thoughts, as we said before. It is built upon a motivation basis, where once you know how to manage yourself properly, you can oftentimes find yourself more motivated and excited to do work and to do anything that those specific thoughts or emotions were blocking you from doing. Moreover, you'll be able to develop social skills, because once those bad behaviors and reactions would stop, once you can control them better, you will find yourself automatically getting better in social situations and improving your social skills. Emotional intelligence is essential for the mental well-being as well as your physical well-being, because there's a huge mind-body connection. Once you don't feel good on a mental level, usually your physical level would follow. Emotional intelligence is essential for a healthy life overall. It is essential for leadership, decision-making, and conflict management. For you to be able to lead other people, you need to be able to control yourself before you know how to control other people. If you want to manage others, you need to be able to know how to manage yourself, which can automatically help you with decision making. When you control your emotions, your feelings, and your reaction, you will shift towards more positive and more accurate decision making skills. As you avoid the turbulence that you were experiencing before, you'll be able to make the right decisions more often. And lastly, you'll be able to adapt properly with conflict management. Whenever there's a conflict that would arise, you will not treat this conflict on the basis of emotions, feelings, and react upon them, but you'll be able to control those emotions and feelings and react in a logical and reasonable way. Last thing, emotional intelligence is used in your social life, in your workplace, in your relationships, and most importantly on an individual level for self-regulation. And the fact that you are going through this course is that you understand the importance of emotional intelligence. But you need to keep in mind something. Emotional intelligence is not just something you will use on an individual level. As we said, it's going to be used in your relationships, in your social life, in your professional life, and in many numerous aspects of your life that we discussed.